Hello everyone, welcome to Young Talk channel. Today I got this toy. I'm going to show you how to combine these both robots into a big combiner. This one is age 8 plus. This one with two robots, they can combine each other into Prime Strong. These together, you can play with Sky Rapper and B-Side. That means you can find three robots like Prime Strong, Sky Rapper, or Bob, or B-Side. So look at the back. And then this is all about Prime Strong. Strong Arm is the patrol fighter. Optimus Prime is the Iron Fighter. So if you stick together on some in front sights, they will change it to Prime Strong. This will be two robots that combine it into Prime Strong. They are Optimus Prime and Strong Arm to Prime Strong. You can play with this B-Side toy and this Sky Rapper toy. You can change their forms together like this, so they will become like this. And then this is Strong Arm. This is Optimus Prime. And then these are the parts to fix them. But then you can play it like this with these two planes and these two sport cars. So you can play with these two patrol cars. Now let's unbox it. Ooh, what's this?
Show us what's this?
Let's check.
Is that an
interesting.
instruction?
This is an instruction.
Wow.
Let's check it out in the back. So awesome.
You want to show everyone the instruction?
This is part 1 instruction. This is part 2 instruction. So let's unbox those two. Scissors, please. Now let's take out those two. First we got Optimus Prime. Second we got Strong Arm. Oof, we're done. About this, we got one instruction and two robots in this box. So this is the instruction. These are the two robots, Optimus Prime and Strong Arm. So I'm gonna show you how to transform them into cars. Optimus Prime. I'm gonna change them into Prime Strong. First we got the head. Now we got the legs. So let's stick them together. 1, 2, 3. And look at the back, Baba. Those two heads, Baba, they're stick together. Cool or not cool? It's awesome. So, what do you think, guys? Is it nice or cool? Tell me if you want. I'm gonna change them into cars. Okay, first we got Optimus Prime. Now for the police car. There we go. And here's the instruction about those tools. So these are the two forms that we transformed. So do you know how to transform these both? So look, 1, 2, 3, go! It's one massive like this. Now transform them into robots, into a huge robot. There, done. So what do you think? It's super cool. This is from Transformers Robots in Disguise. So when Bumblebee and Prime Strong are chasing in the wolf bot's office, they try to use some plans to defeat that wolf. So bye bye everyone. I'll see you next week. So bye bye.